Importance of organization. Organization is the framework through which managers get things done through people. Sound organization is the backbone of effective management due to the following reasons. Number one, specialization. In the process of organizing, work is divided and subdivided into compact and convenient jobs. Similar jobs are grouped together into departments or divisions. Thus, organizing promotes specialization, which in turn leads to efficient and speedy performance of tasks. Number two, optimum use of human resources. All jobs are clearly defined and differentiated. This helps selection of employees and fitting the right person to the right job. Such matching enables better use of human talent and provides job satisfaction to employees. Organizing also helps in avoiding duplication of work. This is because specific jobs are assigned to individuals and work groups. Number three, coordination and cooperation. The organization structure serves as a mechanism for unifying and harmonizing the efforts of individuals and work groups. Higher level managers bring about cooperation and coordination by exercising authority over interrelated activities of lower level managers. A clear cut definition of authority and responsibility of each manager minimizes confusion and conflict. Line of authority prescribed in the organization structure serves as channel of communication. Number four, security and support. A sound organization structure is a source of security, support, and satisfaction to managers and workers. It provides a definite status and position to each one of them. Number five, growth and diversification. Organization provide the framework within which an enterprise can expand and grow. Sound organization helps in keeping various activities under control. It increases the capacity of the enterprise to undertake more activities without dislocation. It is through a sound organization structure that many small firms have grown and become big. Number six, adaptation to change. A properly designed organization structure is flexible. It facilitates adjustment to changes caused by changes in external environment. These changes may relate to technology, products, resources, and markets. New and better methods of doing work can be introduced by adopting new technology. Number seven, training and development of personnel. Sound organization encourages initiative and creative thinking on the part of employees. It facilitates development of managerial talent at lower levels through adequate delegation of authority. It also recognizes merits for distribution of rewards and promotion. Number eight, aid to management. Organization focuses managerial attention on the achievement of enterprise objectives. It provides a mechanism for directing all the work activities and human efforts towards organizational goal. It also enables the management to predict work activities of different individuals and groups so that action may be taken in time to correct any deficiency. A sound organization is the first requisite of effective management. It enables the top management to delegate responsibility to lower level for routine function. It can avoid confusion and delays as well as duplication of work. If the organization is ill defined, the management becomes difficult and ineffective, organization is the mechanism by which management brings order out of chaos, removes conflict over work, and creates an environment suitable for teamwork.